Welcome back to another video, guys. I am on the east side, and this video today will be all about bath fountain. It's a mineral bath and hotel, so we're gonna check it out and see how it is. I have been here before, but years ago, so I don't know the prices and how everything situated right now, so we're gonna check that out. First time you're seeing my face, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Remember to like the video, share the video with everybody that you know. I'm trying to get my subscribers up, guys. So if you are a supporter of beautiful Escape XOXO, please go ahead and share this video right now and like the video, okay? And for all my OGs, thank you so much for supporting beautiful Escape XOXO. So let's go. Oh, this is the Roman bath? Okay. It's not that deep. It's good. It's good.
And that is straight hot water.
Oh, straight hot water. Okay.
So when you go inside there, if you feel like it's too hot,
yeah,
you turn it off and turn the other tap and you get some cold water.
Oh, okay.
Which the both water is mineral.
Oh, okay, mineral. Okay, cool. And the other one is the jacuzzi right here. Okay.
Same water too.
Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna decide which one.
And then now, after each person come out,
yeah,
you have to empty that.
And clean it.
Sanitize, clean, and set them afresh.
Okay.
That goes on for the whole day.
Okay, that's good. The part that's over there, that's free, right? Anybody can go. Okay, so yeah. So I think I'm going to decide on which one, but I'm definitely going to choose between here. All right, thank you. Okay, guys. So I spoke to a representative, and there are two different baths at the Bath Fountain Hotel and Spa. There is the, let me remove this. So there is the Roman bath, and then you have the jacuzzi. It's the same mineral water, but the prices are a bit different. So I think I'm going to choose the jacuzzi bath. And then after that, I will give you guys a little tour on the outside and everything else, okay? So I'm currently in the room, guys, where the mineral bath is. I'm going to go in and soak. There's a bit of history about the bath fountain, so I'm going to tell you guys in a bit. So I'm just gonna strip off and then get inside. So guys, I'm in the mineral bath right now. So relaxing. I was telling you earlier that there is a bit of history about this place. So it is said to have been found by a runaway slave, where he ran away from his slave master and he came upon the bath fountain. At the time, obviously it had no name, but he had some ulcers and some sores on his feet, and he washed in the spring, the natural spring, and the next day he discovered that the wounds were healing pretty fast. So he knew that there was some healing power to the water. So that is the brief history. I'm sure there is a lot more to the bath fountain. You guys can look it up, but this is a really nice and relaxing place. This is the hotel side of it, but there is an outside area where you can go to the natural springs where the water comes directly out of the rocks and the bamboos. They put bamboos to channel the water. So I'm going to show you guys in a minute, but right now I'm just going to go ahead and relax in this mineral, calcium, sulfur, and take all this healing in. So I'm finished with my bath, guys, and I am actually leaving to go to the mineral spring and to check it out and see what it's like. So I'm just collecting brochures. So guys, St. Thomas me born and grow, so hi. Just a run through the place. Yeah, you know, so my birthplaces, so just walking through. Check out the place. So this is the little track that you would walk and go to the mineral springs. It's like about a 3 minutes walk. Well, at my pace, I could say probably a 10 minutes. So we have arrived to the spring, guys. We have arrived just a few feet away from me.
I'm selling people. Still 20 I never moved. Yes, I'm back. No, no. Sorry. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Right. Right.
Oh gosh. It is scorching. Oh my goodness. Guys, you can see this hole that the water is pouring through directly out of the rock, scorching hot water. Oh, you see how creative Jamaicans are? Look. So they binded some wires together, got the bamboo so it can channel through the bamboo out of the rock. Guys, don't mind these patches on my face. I had 2 zits and I used some blemish dot stickers to apply to them. But I'm telling you, it's all about this water. Oh, it's so hot. I cannot stay under the water too long. Oh, damn. Oh. I'm grateful for the slave that found this place though. Ouch. Whew. Ow. Ow. So I'm going to make my mark here. Uh-oh. XO. X. O. Sorry. It's a great adventure, guys. I'm about to close this vlog out, but this was a wonderful day. This is another great spot that you can visit here in Jamaica, in the east side, St. Thomas Bath Fountain. I'm feeling so refreshed. Guys, if you like this vlog, remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Guys, share my videos. Please share my videos. I'm trying to get my subscribers up, so support your girl. And also, I have my merch out, guys, so I'm going to leave the link in the description below so you guys can check out my merch and support me, and also be a part of my Patreon community so you can get exclusive clips. Okay, I love you guys, and I will see you in my next vlog. Peace out.